The Peak District. Probably my favourite place in the world to ride my bike. It's stunningly beautiful in all seasons, and I just generally love it here. I actually lived here for 20 years growing up, and my biggest regret is that I didn't make the most of this amazing place. But now I'm back, and I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm here at my local village train station in Snaith. I've taken my bike on this train a few times, and the problem with it is for some reason they refuse to open the main doors. They only open that tiny front one, and it makes getting your bike on a real challenge. I don't know why they do that. If you do know, let me know. But the great thing about this bike is I can collapse it and just slide it on. There's no problem at all. The bike I'm using is the world's smallest 16-inch foldable bike from Wow. I've always wanted a foldable bike, and this one looked really cool. And I'm carrying all my bikepacking stuff and filming equipment in the Burley Travoy trailer. I'm doing a real mix of routes. I'm starting the ride at Meadowhall, and then I'll be following the Trans-Pennine Trail and National Cycle Network Route 6, back to Sheffield and into the peaks. Right, I've made it to the edge of the Peak District. Set up my wild camping spot now. I'm gonna get some well-deserved rest. It's not easy pushing that bike with the trailer and all the gear in there. Tomorrow, though, I'm gonna be heading out to the peaks. I'm gonna be doing something slightly different, so stay tuned. Good morning. I've just packed up camp now. I'm heading down to the main road now, where I'm actually going to catch a bus to the Peak District. The problem with a folding bike is that the gears tend to be pretty hard, and if you've been to the Peak District you'll know it's mega hilly around here. So I thought I'd take advantage of the fact this is a folding bike, collapse it down, stick it on the bus, and then I'm going to head out to Bakewell and ride on the Monsal trail. Bakewell, please. Right, made it to Bakewell. In just a few seconds set up the bike, so pretty much ready to go. Gonna grab some breakfast and head out on the Monsal trail. Right, so I'm on the Monsal trail. Seems crazy to think that under an hour ago I was in the suburbs of Sheffield, and in less than an hour I'm now in the Peak District in amazing sunshine, riding a nice, relatively flat cycling route. Life's good. Truth is, I'm only doing a handful of miles today. I just wanted to get out into the peaks, but I'm meeting up with my boys and some more family. We're going out for lunch at a cafe, so nice, pretty chilled trip. Right, I've made it up to Monsal Head. Brought a change of clothes with me. Look at that view. Just stopping off at the cafe now, sticking the bike in the car, and then I'm going home. This year I'm really trying to cherish these weekend adventures. I'm still getting used to the fact I have virtually no free time to go on epic bikepacking trips like I used to. And although I've got a few in the diary, I'm definitely going to be doing more trips like this to fit around family life. Let me know what you think of this new format. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.